Buying a home in 2023 is going to look very different than it has in years past. From inventory, interest rates, inflation, the number of houses selling to the prices of those homes, there are several variables adding into this equation. Welcome to Living in Greenville, South Carolina. We're going to bring you everything Greenville, Greater Greenville, upstate of South Carolina. Be sure to like and subscribe, and please comment. Let us know what kind of videos you want to see. We're going to put them on here. Thanks so much for being a part of this, and welcome to Living in Greenville, South Carolina. Welcome everyone, I'm Tami Allen, and today I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons why buying a home in 2023 might be a great move for buyers. Many of you know it has been a seller's market for many years, meaning the seller had the advantage because there were not enough homes on the market for the number of buyers competing for them. And buying a home over the last couple of years was not only challenging, but also very frustrating, and often ended up in buyers not even finding a home to purchase due to all of the competition of other buyers. But that has all begun to shift. Let's get right to it and look at the number 1 reason 2023 could be a great time to buy a home. Number 1, there are already signs of a buyer's market for 2023. One thing you don't want to do is listen to all of the media and the talking heads in the news. They are out for the most shocking headlines.
You're all in danger!
And they make it sound as if the sky really is falling.
The sky is falling!
But the numbers to which they are comparing are artificially inflated prices of the houses over the last couple of years. This was due largely to an influx of large corporations, hedge and pension funds, investment companies, and others bidding anywhere from 20 to 50% over asking price, according to the Wall Street Journal, among other publications. The media will tell you homes are losing value drastically this year versus the same time last year. But I will tell you home prices are normalizing and getting back to normal, the levels where they should be, which is an advantage to the buyers, and it still gives the seller plenty of value. You may even be able to place an offer on a home at or below its current asking price. That leads us to reason number 2. Educated buyers have an advantage. Now, many buyers are holding back out of fear of the unknown, and because so many of them listen to every word in the media, there are many that will decide to continue renting or living at the current home they have, even though they need more space or need to move to a home of their own. What could possibly give you the advantage so that the fear does not hold you back on your home buying journey? This is where real estate professionals can add so much value. The top 2 real estate professionals you need to consult immediately are a trusted real estate agent and a lender. The quicker you connect with these 2 real estate professionals, the faster you will have an advantage over the other buyers who are hesitating in this market. Both can help you learn what programs might be available to you to help you purchase your home. Did you know that you may be able to purchase a home for no money down? Or maybe with just a small amount of money on mini loans? Did you know you can buy down your interest rate? How about possibly receiving down payment assistance through certain programs? Do you know you can bring financial gifts towards the purchase of your home? When you find a great real estate agent, the first question you should ask is, can you connect me with great lenders? Next, having an expert real estate agent advise you and lead you through the home buying process can make a world of difference for you on this journey. Not only are realtors experts in the local real estate markets, but also experts in guiding you as the buyer through the intricacies and the nuances of the home buying process and navigating through the purchase of your new home. Also, your realtor will work with you and your lender to ensure that you are getting every possible tool and benefit toward your purchase. Working with your trusted advisors and gaining knowledge from that process is going to give you the confidence you need to step out into the market and buy your home. Reason number 3, more inventory. For the first time in many years, we are starting to see a little more inventory options for buyers than over the last couple of years. A great example is our local Greenville market. We had 82 new listings yesterday, and today there are 66 new listings with 31 coming back on the market. There were also 121 price changes or reductions, which leads to more opportunities for buyers. Overall, just in the local Greenville MLS, we have 2,833 homes for sale, with the top price of $10 million all the way down to $21,900, with the median price being $326,800. For the first time in a couple of years, buyers may be able to ask for seller-paid closing costs and for home warranties and repairs to be made. Over the last 3 years, we saw buyers forfeiting even a home inspection because of the competition for the particular home, and asking for repairs was not an option. Now we are starting to see homes sit on the market a little longer, so a seller might be more motivated to help the buyer through the process. Reason number 4, historically, real estate grows in value. This is a great benefit to everyone, but I want to speak directly to those that are renting right now. If you can qualify for a loan and you have the opportunity to buy a home, you definitely want to make that move in 2023. One thing I can promise you, rent will continue to rise over the next 10 years, whereas if you own a home over the next 10 years, your mortgage rate stays the same and you will build equity in that home. That is money in your pocket versus your landlord. And with interest rates where they are right now, you might have the opportunity in the future to lower your interest rate and your payment through refinancing, something that would never happen with rent. And finally, reason number 5. Are you ready for this one? It's the most shocking reason to buy a home in early 2023. Interest rates are still low. I've seen tons of posts on social media over the last several months, and I hear a lot of people talking about interest rates of 9 and 10%. Thankfully, that is simply not true. Here in the U.S., we are seeing interest rates around the 6% mark, and many experts say the interest rates could go down slightly. But even if it stays at 6%, that is still a good rate at which to purchase a home. We've been a little spoiled over the last few years by the interest rates, including the lowest rate back in 2021 of 2.5%. However, at that time, remember, you had to offer tens of thousands of dollars over asking price, financing a lot more money, versus now where you may be able to buy the home at the right price and a slightly higher interest rate. This is another great time to talk to your realtor and your lender about the best options for you in purchasing a home. And there you have it, the top 5 reasons for you to buy a home in early 2023. And as always, if you or someone you know is looking to buy or sell a home in 2023, please reach out to me. Again, my name is Tami Allen, and I am here to help you as a trusted advisor in real estate. Even if I'm not in your local area, I have a team of expert agents across the nation that I can connect you with. And let's get you started on your home buying or home selling journey. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to like this video and comment. Let us know what you think. We, as always, want you to subscribe to our Living in Greenville, South Carolina channel so that you can learn more about living and moving to the Greenville area. And as always, I look forward to seeing you living in Greenville, South Carolina.